Hey everyone, got a new product. It's electronic bug killer for the mosquitoes. Oh my gosh, they're terrible out there right now. If they get in your house, this little guy will get rid of them for you. So let's get to the quick unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a new product. It's the electronic Mosquito Killer by Brison. Okay, and we're going to take a look around the box and see what it says about this product. It's safe to use, no harm to humans because of the protective covers. Next it says it's energy savings with the low power consumption. It has LED UV tubes. And it says it has adjustable angles to it. Covers a large area, 800 square feet. And last but not least, it's easy to hang anywhere. And the first thing we see when we open up is the user manual, and it's very complete. And it even tells you how to disassemble it for cleaning. And the unit itself has a nice sleek design to it. It's plastic cover on it and plastic all around, but heavy duty. Next, taking a look at the bottom, you can see you have your little standoffs there to keep the unit just quite off the surface. And you have a pull cord to turn it on and off. Taking a look at the back of the electric mosquito killer, you have your hanging brackets there that you can mount on any flat surface. Also comes with its own mounting hardware for that. And at the back, towards the bottom, you have your electric cord collection box, which you simply wrap around your electric cord to keep it out of the way when you're not using it. And you see on the side of the electric mosquito killer, you have a mosquito collection tray. It collects all the insects there, and you can easily pull it out and dump it out. And as you see here, it has a pull cord on the bottom that turns on the light and energizes the electric grid. It has a nice LED glow to it, not super bright and not dim. It's just perfect for in your house. Okay, it's time to set up this electric mosquito killer in my house, and let's find out how well it works. I know there's a couple mosquitoes flying around in my house, so we'll see if it kills them, and we'll also take a look at the collection tray and see how much bugs got killed in the process. I'd like to give you the overall dimensions of this product. It is 12 inches wide by 1 foot 1 inch tall, and roughly about 2 1/4 inch deep. Alright, so I'm going to let you watch just a little bit of the bugs flying in here and see how effective this is. With the high efficiency LED lights, a perfect color, it just draws the mosquitoes and bugs in, and you can see the lights flickering where it hits the electro grid, but it doesn't make the, the loud sound that you normally associate with the bug zapper. So let's take a look and see how many bugs we killed in here. Hopefully there's a lot of mosquitoes. That was my aim. Oh yeah, we got quite a few in here. So I've had this up for a week, and like I said, there's a lot of mosquitoes outside, so they keep coming into my house. So, oh yeah, look at all the mosquitoes. Oh, I counted at least 12 mosquitoes that it caught. So it definitely does its job, and I'm very glad. So I'll keep using this thing for sure. So that's my review on the Brison electronic mosquito killer. Great little design to it. I like the color of the lights. It's also quiet, so you don't hear all that zapping sound in your house. It has low 8 watts of power consumption, and it has large enough to cover an 800 square foot room or building. This mosquito killer is equipped with special UV lights or lamps, which lure in insects like mosquitoes, flies, moths, any kind of bugs that you need, and eliminates them instantly when they come in contact with the 880 high voltage grid. This mosquito bug zapper is a great device. It's toxic free, 100% safe for humans and pets. You can pick this up on Amazon for $39.99, and I will leave that quick link down below. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. Great little product. I used it. Works good in my house. Going to keep using it, actually. Keep it on all the time because I got a lot of mosquitoes in the yard. And I'm going to be doing a review on a mosquito killer for the outdoors, too. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this electronic bug killer or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up, because doing that really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell to the right to catch all my new upcoming videos. And I got a lot more coming. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, as always, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.